Yo po. Naantok na ako. Hindi po. Yun. Ulit-ulit po kasi sabi ko Violent take na po. Pero, kahit paano, pa-practice ako. Hindi. Ginagawa ko po talaga to para sa mga tita ko out there, sa lola ko, sa mga lola ko, at sa mga mami out there, especially my mom. Hello po. Para po sa inyo to. Sana maging successful na siya. Mag-ilantik na po. Yun. Happy to let you know you make me glow. I feel so good, it's true. So glad that I have you. You love me so. Now all is bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Remember my growing years, they filled with joy because you're there for me. You cast my tears away. You wipe those tears. You give me strength each day. Thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Who knows what tomorrow brings? My growing wings can make me fly. I wish and now I touch the sky because of you. I soar up high, so I must thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. Glowing inside because of you. Eh, natapos ko na. It's not perfect po. Pero, sana na-appreciate nyo po. Kasi po, eh, yan, wala po akong budget for flowers or anything eh. Kaya, hinarano ko na lang kay mami. Yun, super super love kita. Kahit pagod yung mata ko. Wah! Just joking. Yun. Naagap po ako nag-record. Tapos may sumisigaw po sa record. Ate, kain na. Kain na daw kami. Yun, dinner time na daw. Pero po, bago po ang lahat. Bago ang lahat, happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day po. Yee! Yun, thank you po. Sabi nga po sa kanta. Thank you for the glow and thank you for the joy. Tapos, cast my tears away. Kasi po ako nagpapayak sa inyo. Sorry po. Tapos, sorry po kung may background lalaki. Kapitbahay po natin. Maingay. Yun. Yun po, Mommy. I love you. Ano ba? Yun. Especially, I'm proud of you. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Lahat-lahat. Yun. Love you, ma. Tapos, kay nanay. Nay, kahit nasan ka man dyan sa langit. Yan ka lang, Yun, guide nyo na lang po kami. Yun po. I miss you na. Sa mga tita ko po. Hello, tita! Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo lahat! Kulit ka, no? Yun po. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng moms out there. Tapos po, thank you for watching. Kahit di po kay nanay or what. Kahit friends ko kayo. Thank you for watching. Alam nyo na yung message ko, mami. Yan. Second cover ko na po to. Yung first cover po namin, na-delete cover po namin ng anniversary na mami. Nung May 8 po. Kasi May 10 na po ngayon. Ay, mami, sorry nga pala, nakarap yung files sa memory card ng phone mo. Sorry. Yun. Yun lang po. Happy Mother's Day. Love you po.